Hey Ray, my name's Max. I'm going to be doing this video for you today to show you how to increase your business through an online market. Thank you for commenting on my post there in the Facebook group, and I hope that this is informative. So let's jump right in. So essentially the general gist here is to have a website that ranks for your niche in your area. Okay, so Painter Spokane. Actually is a really good keyword, and I used Ahrefs, which is this tool that I pay for, and there's about 600 searches a month for painters in Spokane. So that's a pretty good market just online of people actively searching for what you guys are offering. So the gist here is to have you guys ranking number one or in this Google Map Pack in order for you to get more clicks to your website, which can have buttons like this, which can have people automatically get in contact with you, and those 600 people that are searching for you can get in contact with you a lot easier in order for you to get them in their door. So how you can get here, we're going to be going over three main things that kind of help you rank a website, and I'm going to use one of your competition's website, your competitor's website, in order for this example. So the first thing is content on your homepage. So if we copy everything on their homepage, including what their pictures are saved as and whatnot, then they're going to have right about 229, 300 words. And Google really wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and in those words they want your specific niche and area keywords, as you're seeing here, because this is what your consumers are searching for on Google. So if you had those on your homepage, then your website's going to become a lot more relevant and start ranking in these Google Maps or as the number one spot. So the next thing that you could do once you have your content set is a backlink. And if we took their URL and throw it into Ahrefs again, it'll show me the backside of their website. And what a backlink is basically one website linking to your homepage, which passes power and relevance. It's kind of like a vote from them for your site to be relevant to Google searches. And as you can see, they do have quite a bit of backlinks. This is, they're ranking in this map pack here. They have quite a bit, but their health is not that great. Really, you would want these two numbers here to be matching. Like if they were both 20 and 20, then that would be a really good health. So that's a good advantage for you, because if you did decide to build a website and rank it, that's going to make it a lot easier for you to rank over your number one competitor. Yeah, you probably wouldn't have to get as many backlinks as they have, as long as they were do follow instead of no follow, which is going to be passing a lot more relevance and power to your page. The third and final thing is a citation, and that has strictly to do with this Google Map Pack here. And what a citation is your business name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as like Yellow Pages, BBB, if there's a Chamber of Commerce website, etc. And that's just going to kind of like another vote for Google to place you in this Google Map Pack. And so those are the three main things that can get you up here and get you to have about 50 to 65% of these 600 people that are already actively searching for what you offer, and it can get them into your hands. So I hope that this was informative. I will be reaching out to you tomorrow just to kind of see what your thoughts were on this, and thank you for your time.